Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, you're going to learn how to multiply in Google Sheets. We're going to use a simple example. Here we have January sales for 3 people, Andy, Di and Jim. And we want to estimate. If they made this same amount every month, what would their total sales be for the entire year? Method 1. Use the asterisk for multiplication. Start in the cell where you want the yearly estimate. Use this formula. I'll include it in the description. Equals B2 times 12. Here's what we're doing. B2 is the January sales. Asterisk is the multiplication symbol. 12 represents the 12 months in a year. Press Enter. Now we have the yearly estimate. If your result shows as a percentage, that just means your cell formatting needs to change. Go to Format, Number, Plain Number. Now it displays correctly. Copy this formula down. As you drag it down, notice that B2 becomes B3. B3 becomes B4. That's called a relative reference. It automatically adjusts as you copy the formula. Method 2. Use the multiply function. There's another way to multiply in Google Sheets. Instead of using the asterisk, you can use the multiply function. Use this formula. I'll include this one in the description too. Equals multiply open parenthesis. B2, 12, close parenthesis. This does the exact same thing. You're multiplying. The reference B2 by the number 12. Press Enter. You'll get the same answer. You can also multiply two numbers directly. For example, equals multiply open parenthesis. 21, 12 close parenthesis. That multiplies 21 times 12. Or instead of typing 21, you could use a reference like equals multiply open parenthesis. B2, 12 close parenthesis. Same result as using the asterisk. Using insert function. You can also go to Insert, Function, Operator, Multiply. It will insert the formula for you. Then you just fill in your two numbers or references. Which method should you use? Most people use the asterisk. Equals B2 times 12, because it's faster. But the multiply function works exactly the same way. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure to subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.